Indiana beer reviews. Bud Light Chelada with Tajín. Tajín chili lime. Cerveza Premium Light. Oh, there's two sides. Premium Light Lager with natural flavors. And this is what the can looks like. Looks good. That's why I picked it up. I think it was $3.30 something a can for this big 25-ounce can. Tajín, property of Industries Tajín, licensed by Anheuser-Busch, or Tajín to Anheuser-Busch. 4.2% alcohol. $120 calories, 12 grams carbohydrates, 1 gram protein. Excuse me. Show you some fried chicken earlier with hot sauce. This says, do not shake, no agitate. So I'm just gonna flip and roll the can. That's what everyone else seems to do. Just mixes it up better. This isn't my first time having a beer like this. This can is best by, I do not even know the date. This can says 2013, but I know that's obviously not true. That's not that old. It's just a serial number or something. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of numbers. I'm not going to try to read that, but I'm sure it's still good. It was in the cooler. Yeah, let's just crack this open. I've had the original Bud Light Chelada Clamato. It looked like this, though. I have the can. I kept it. I haven't had it for a minute, but this is just regular Clamato. This is Chelada with Tajín, so it should be different. Let's smell it. Well, I'm not gonna smell it yet until it gets in the cup, but yeah. As you can see, it's a definitely a different color than that one. That one was like a red color. Well, that's very not bad, just very different smelling. I'm almost getting like a pineapple smell in it, which is kind of weird, but I think that's the lime peel giving it that citrus note. I am getting a very back end, very slight end of chili pepper smell. I don't know if I can smell the Tajín because I don't think it really has that much smell, but this, as you can see, it doesn't even have any particulate, really, as I can see. And that head faded away very quickly. So as you can see, it's a hazy yellow, not orange, not yet. I don't even know what color you describe that as, but I'm ready for the taste, so let's get on with the taste. Not bad. Just different. It's a little salty, like with these Chelada drinks, like the Modelo's and the Bud Lights, they're a little salty. But you do pick up some of that lime flavor. It doesn't really taste that much like a beer, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. You kind of do get that back end malt grain taste, but barely at all. It is kind of refreshing though. It's not really too carbonated. It was at first when I first took the first sip, but now that I've let it just cool down, I'm not seeing any chunks in this at all. No chunks, which is surprising. I thought there was gonna be like some Tajín or like particulate Tajín, chili powder, pepper pieces floating around, but in this one there isn't. This one there is, so if you're looking for something that has floaties, I think it's pieces of tomato pulp in it, but yeah, that has that in it. This does not have anything. Must be all mixed together in one flavor. Or all the liquid, I mean, not one flavor. Just look on the can. As you can see, it shows like that. Like a darker orange drink with lime. Maybe you're supposed to add the lime and Tajín to it. I don't know. If I had lime and Tajín, I'd do that right now, but I do have a little bit of hot sauce I can get real quick. If you give me just a second. I'll run in the other room. I found the hot sauce. I'm just gonna add a drop. This is barely any left. Got a hair on it. On my arm, not on it, but we'll just add a drop or two of this and see what happens. See if that gives it any more flavor. Ooh, I can smell the hot sauce in that. Let's go for the taste now. Can't even taste the hot sauce really. I have to add a little more. That was maybe a little too much, but this is Tabasco's. No. This is hot sauce though. Oh, now I'm getting that hotness. It's all floating to the bottom. As you can see, that's what it did with the other type of beers, the Cheladas. The only Modelo Chelada I've tried was the pineapple chile, or I think it was called Piña Picante or something like that, but it was decent. I think I still like these better, but... So out of 100, I'm gonna give this 89 out of 100. It's not bad, but I don't know if I'd drink it regularly or pick it up all the time again. So it gets a B+. And I'm full from that. And I'm gonna end this video here, and I'm gonna suggest you guys come down to Indiana and visit and see what our state's up to and what we do. We don't do much.